Oh, I'm just gonna start the video off of me talking to you guys because it snowed last night. We got about 4 or 5 inches. I did a video on it about staying positive, and I really mean that. I went out this morning and I fished 3 different lakes, and I only caught 2 fish, and they're all from, both of them from Shawnee State Lake. I went there, and I went to Lake Shawnee, then I went to I went to the Governor's Pond off of Fairlawn. I got some bites at Lake Shawnee, and I ain't get nothing at the Governor's Pond. But it was a tough grind today, and I put everything forward to try to catch more fish. But you know, you win some, you lose some. Like catching 2 on a day like today, where it's like, when it was like 35 degrees, I call it a win. But I want to thank each and every one of you that watches my channel, even if you're not subscribed. I appreciate you stopping in and watching my videos. And I do it just for you guys, and mostly for myself too. But yeah, enjoy the show, and thanks for watching. Oh, there's something. He's fighting it. It's probably a little bass or crappie. I don't know the way he's staying down. That's a crappie. Nope, it's just a bass. He ain't got as much energy today as usual. Look at there. I told you green pumpkin would work. That bass is nice and warm. We'll get him back in. He's probably like, what the devil is going on here? He is nice and warm compared to these fish ain't affected by this at all. No way. He's just sluggish and slow this morning. That's all it is. No, they're not digging this one. I think it has to do with the swim bait, the size, and the color. Here's a baby bass. That's been pretty good, but this yesterday they bit on this one. Had that kind of that lighter green in the belly, and he bit it with authority too. So figured I'd come to one of my spots where swim jigs are money. The wind's blowing into, which I cannot stand. I don't like the cold. Kind of a big ninny. Half Alaskan, half Kansan, but I'm more Kansan than I am Alaskan. Because it's just, I got raised here. I didn't get raised in Alaska. Alaskans keep their weather. See my breath still. Sure, I'd hate to go over by the dam and do this. Be right in the wind. Off the thump. I don't know if that was there's a lot of old lily pads around here. Here's where lily pads go to die. Oh, I got something there. Oh, this one feels pretty good too. He is fighting me. About a 2-pounder. Not too sure. He looks like it. Maybe 2.5. Yeah, I'd give him a good solid 2. Gotta get a picture. I just did. I left my phone in the truck. I am so guilty of this all the time. Sorry, little fella. I'll get you back into your home here in a little bit. I know you're cold. If I get it turned around, we go. Let me double check it. Yeah, good looking picture. You're very photogenic, my friend. You and your fat belly. I appreciate you. Yeah. Don't tell anybody. You know, Googan juicy jig. Not juicy, that's a Googan swim jig. I can't remember I can't keep their names straight. But that's a Ketchco swim bait. Like I said, I think it's a color. Put my hood back up. It is cold. See if we can find any more hiding over here.